right, brand new ball, fresh out of box. Drilled it today. The Columbia 300 Pure Madness. Layout is 60 by 4 by 30. All right, let's see what we can do. I tweaked the left thumb a little bit to the left. I got a little bit more left pitch on the thumb, so we'll see how that works for me. Definitely a beautiful looking ball. So this is the one that I filmed drilling from layout to drill today. And I got this on Black Friday from Gebhardt for $99. It's discontinued ball, I can no longer get it. And I like what it's doing for me right now. So this is the fourth ball I drilled on my own drill press and jig. I think it's a pretty cool looking ball. So anytime I go and I see a discontinued ball, usually what I'm doing right now is I'm buying a lot of discontinued balls for cheap. And they're still as good as the new ones. They're just, you know, half price. I'll go online and look at the reviews from like a year or two ago, whenever they did them. And what I want to try to do is give you a current review on discontinued balls. Maybe you see a ball is discontinued today and you're like, oh, I want to go look at the review, but you don't want to see a review from 2 years ago. You want to see one that's fresh. That's where I come in. So it looks like by pitching my left thumb, or sorry, my thumb to the left, ball's coming out a little bit sooner than I'd like. So I'm kind of, now that I have a drill and jig, I'm kind of experimenting with different pitches to see how they work. And some may work, some may not work. You can see the ring there. Put a little too much on that one. 14 miles an hour. So my goal late last year, I wanted to have at least two of each brand ball. I know it's kind of foolish, but it's kind of funny. So whenever I go on league, I like to bowl different balls. So I want to have at least two Ebonite, two Radical, two Brunswick, just for fun. So I've got two Ebonites, two Ebonites right now. I got the Fireball and the real time that I have yet to drill. Probably drill that next couple days. And the Columbia 300, I just have one. So I bought a mystery ball, oh, sorry, a surprise ball from Bowling World. And I'm almost, I really want to get a Ricochet. So I'm hoping I get a Ricochet or a Crusher would be pretty cool. So we're getting those same kind of hits, just kind of leaving the 7. I got lucky and knocked that one down. Yeah, I don't know many good Columbia 300s now other than the Ricochet. I can't remember which new ones came out. I tell you, the colors on this thing are pretty damn cool. Really cool looking. Looks like a giant frame. Happened there. I pulled it too much, but I ended up getting a Brooklyn. Not a pretty one. That was 16 miles an hour flat. So as the lanes dry up here, I go a little bit faster than normal. Put a little bit more spin on it. Didn't really come back from there. I was 14.5 miles an hour. Kind of lost my balance as well too. So you see me rolling the spares with that Storm Clear spare ball. I saw that rolling in Reno one time at California Bowler Tour, and I thought it was really cool looking. So the wife ended up actually surprising me with that ball. It's pretty cool. That's a pretty solid hitting ball. So I drilled the bridge out on this a little wider than I probably should have, so a little over, over 1/4 inch. But it feels all right. All right, get some strikes in there. 10th frame. Not going to be my best score. But it's a new ball. I don't care. I love rolling new balls. It's very fun and addicting. Let's say, was that a wrap 10? Couldn't tell. All right. Not a fantastic fantastic score, 201. And open frame number 2. Kind of a bummer. All right, let me know if you guys have the Pure Madness, if you still bowl the Pure Madness. I know it's an older ball. You can't get it anymore, so let me know if you have it. Let me know if you got some good high scores with it, what your layout is and whatnot. And leave some comments below, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the lanes.